All right, so get this. I got this damn bumper for this car, the Mustang, and we decided to scuff it and paint it like it was supposed to be done. But I failed to realize that it had these holes, the parking sensor holes in it. This is the new bumper. This is the old bumper. So I failed to realize it had these parking sensor holes in it, and I went ahead and painted it. Well, I just had to drill into a freshly painted Mustang bumper, and let me tell you, it was not fun. Not fun one bit. I'm going to show you guys how to cut these holes perfect without destroying that paint job. See how clean that is? Nice and clean. Paint not destroyed at all. So what you want to do is look on the back side of this bumper. You see how it's got the diagram of like the parking sensor holder and then the actual hole for the parking sensor. You want to take your drill bit. I used a 3/16 drill bit, and I drilled a hole straight through there, just like that. Then you want to take some tape, like so, stick it on the back side of this hole. Make sure you cover the hole, because if you miss, yeah, it's going to be tragic. You do not want to miss. But either way, you could turn it over and look at it and tape it up. Just that easy as well. After you tape it, you want to get you one of these step bits like this here. And you're going to take that, put it right on that hole, and get the drilling. Now, it's a little something you want to know before you start drilling. It's somewhere on this bit you need to stop. You do not want to run this bit all the way through, because this bit here is bigger than that parking sensor there. You want to make sure you drill this hole perfect. You only got one chance. If you fuck this up, you have to repaint the bumper. So this is where my drill goes and stops. So you want to put that drill bit right on that hole. All right, and then you want to start drilling. Now in doing this, see how I'm drilling? I'll go like this because this is the smart way to do it. You can pull on this damn thing full throttle and drill through it, but guess what? You're gonna be painting the bumper. See that? Right at where I'm supposed to be. Drill it back out. In taking that bit back out, it's gonna look a little sloppy boppy in there. You do not worry about that. We can clean that right up, and I'm gonna show you how. You want to take that same drill, stick it back through here. Now this is where you want to be cautious at, because if you go too far, you're going to be painting the bumper and doing some body work to fill that hole back in. So remember where I told you my little bumps, my little stop thing is? This is what you want to do. You want to drill until you get to that stop thing and pull it right back out. All right, so if I did everything right, like I just said, this hole is going to be perfectly fine. We're about to find out right now. Oh my God, I hate this moment. This is like the most nervous moment of it all. Bingo. What did I say? Perfecto. Paint's not destroyed at all. Perfect circle, and guess what? You can take that damn parking sensor and shove it right up in there.